Hey everyone, this is Dan with Shaner Designs. Here's another 1-minute SolidWorks tip. In this video, I'll cover keyboard shortcuts in SolidWorks 2018. Keyboard shortcuts are one of the best ways to speed up your workflow. They can take some time to learn, but it really pays off. SolidWorks comes with some built-in shortcuts that you might already know about, such as Control-N, Control-A, and Control-Z. There are also default shortcuts like Control-8 to zoom to normal. I've also created a few of my own shortcuts, such as Shift-H to hide show planes, or Control-Shift-X to insert mates in an assembly. To set up keyboard shortcuts, go to Tools, Customize, Keyboard. Here you can filter by category or browse through existing shortcuts. You can also search for a specific command, such as Insert Line. To add a new shortcut, just click in the shortcut box and press the corresponding key or keys, L in my case. Next I'll try adding a shortcut that I know is already assigned to a different command, Shift-H. A message will pop up telling me that the command already has that assignment and asks if I want to go ahead and replace it anyway. In this case, I don't, so I'll click No. That's about all there is to it. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.